that the Arrabelle?
Why did this not be used there?
It's the spa elevator. This one has a mirrored cab.
It's also got a card reader that a minute ago was not happening.
Oh yeah, it was flashing.
Flashing, it had solid red and flashing yellow.
It's pretty quick.
Yeah.
That's a cool lamp. Back
Here.
up to 6.
Yeah, it's doing the yellow flashing again. I'll get that on the camera when it does it again.
What floor were we on?
2 regular.
2R for regular?
No. 2 normal, not 2 rear.
This is elevator number 10. Wow, this place has a lot of elevators. I love the mirrored infinite effect.
I want to see if this thing will blink. There it is.
This property is beautiful.
I'll have to look that up. I have not seen that.
Hotel guests and residents only.
Probably because it's like.
Oh, rule breaker. And that's it.